And this is what I will be replacing today on my Sawgrass. I always buy my ink from Heat Press Nation, directly from Heat Press Nation. It's too risky to use anything else that you find online that's not a Sawgrass supply ink distributor. If you use any kind of other ink and it messes up your machine, your warranty is non-existent. So just keep that in mind. It's always better to use the one it says to use. So I'll be using this one, Sublijet. And this is cayenne. This is the blue color. And yeah, let's replace it. And there it goes. It's that easy. Just let it load. And that's it.